Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. It is lunchtime and today we have chili, fettuccine, and just a plain pasta by itself. And he likes to eat pasta. Oh. Alright. Homemade. Pasta's not homemade. We have some chili fettuccine and got yellow bird. I'm running low, guys. Yellow bird. Send me some sauce, please. There's your hand. There's your hand. What I got in sauce?
Yeah.
Ooh. That was a good spice. Chili's good. Pasta's good. Like I said, yellow bird, I'm running low on the habanero. You guys are listening. I've tagged you enough. Send me some hot sauce. Please. You're expensive. Alright, y'all.
Joy. 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 Joy.
Enjoy.